The Organization for Joint Armament Cooperation has officially welcomed India into the ambitious Eurodrone program, making it the second Asian country to be granted observer status. The decision follows a formal request from the Indian government in August 2024, as well as an invitation from Germany to participate in the originally four-nation program. On behalf of the ICAR Board of Supervisors, ICAR Director Joachim Sucker delivered the letter of approval to the Ambassador of India to Germany, His Excellency Mr. Ajit Gupta, at the Indian Embassy in Berlin. The announcement stated, India's inclusion underscores the growing global interest in the Eurodrone project, extending beyond Europe to other regions. It also marks a significant step in New Delhi's increasing role in international defense cooperation and its efforts to enhance its capabilities in unmanned aerial systems. In November 2023, Japan became the first Asian nation to join the Eurodrone program as an observer. Eurodrone program launched in 2016. The Eurodrone program is focused on developing a next-generation medium-altitude, long-endurance drone designed to support intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition, and reconnaissance missions. The program aims to reduce Europe's dependence on non-European platforms, such as the US-manufactured MQ-9B drones. The project is led by France, Germany, Italy, and Spain, with major industry partners including Airbus, Dassault Aviation, and Leonardo. In May 2024, the Eurodrone successfully passed its preliminary design review, confirming that the design meets all performance, safety, and cost-effectiveness requirements. The platform's first flight is scheduled for this year, with initial deliveries expected to begin in 2028.